what is the remainder when positive integer n is divided by 6? Clue 1, n is a multiple of 5. So let's say 10, because 10 is a multiple of 5. And let's divide 6 into it. 6 will go on 10 one time, that's 6. The remainder equals 4. But let's say, what if it's 15? 6 will go into 15 2 times. 2 times 6 is 12 with a remainder of 3. So you got two different remainders, so clue 1 does not work. Clue 2 does work. N is a multiple of, it's not, I wrote that down wrong. No, n is a multiple of 12, and we're dividing by 6. So 6 will go into 12. In fact, 6 will go into any multiple of 12. 12, 24, 36, because each one of those have got factors of 6 in there. So your answer is B.